Internal PC communication failing because of the Mofl library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. Before the walkthrough for Mofl library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Mofl library, the managed object format MOF loader. It manages the localized unmanaged compilation of MOF scripts into the WMI repository, mandatory for registering localized hardware monitoring classes. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Mofl acts as a vital connection for localized application logic operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error, is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Mofl library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like Mofl library DLL in your System32 folder. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing Mofl library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Mofl library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.